Students, now we are on the very important part of our first chapter, that is word problems. Now I'll start with exercise 1G, and the first question is, if you read a question here, from a rope 11 meter long, that is 11 meter long length is given, two pieces of the length are cut off. It means they have been removed it. So values are given respectively. What is the length of the remaining rope? So now you are clear with this question what it is given. So now move further, and now we are going to solve this first question. Now this is the data given to us, that is total length is 11 meter. I have taken two length, that is first one A as 2 3 by 5 meter, B 3 by 10. Now converted here 13 by 5, you know how to convert it. 5 into 2 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, and denominator will be as it is. 3 into 10 30 plus 3, that is 33 by 10. So now question is what? We have to find the remaining part. Okay, it means A plus B plus C will be equals to 11 meter. It means from this three part we can easily say that from this three part, that is two part is given to us, third part is not given to us. It means from that third part we have to identify. So I have taken as C. So A value we know that is 13 by 5, B value 33 by 10, C value we don't know, and here it is 11 meter. Now we are going to solve this part. Now what we'll do, we'll shift the part this to the right hand side, same to the right hand side. Now what will be the value? 11 minus 13 by 5 minus 33 by 10. Now what we'll do, we'll take the LCM over here. What will be the LCM? LCM will be 10. So here the value is 1. So here this number will be multiplied by 10. So if I multiply by 10, it will be 110. This will be multiplied by 2. So it will be minus 26. And here it will be minus 33. 110 minus, what is the calculation here? It will be 59 upon 10. So what will be the value? So your value will be 51 by 10. So what we'll consider, you can write in the mixed fraction, that is 10 will be here. So your length will be 1 by 10 meter. Now we are going to solve the second question. You can see the question. A drum full of rice weighs 41 by 6 kg. It means total weight is given. If the empty drum weighs 13 by 4 kg, then what is the weight of the rice? तो इसमें क्या दिया हुआ है? ड्रम और उसके साथ साथ राइस का वेट दोनों मिला के 41 by 6 kg, बराबर. अब क्वेश्चन में ये लिखा है कि ड्रम का जो वेट है, ठीक है, खाली ड्रम का, दैट इज 13 by 4. तो अभी खाली ड्रम है तो बाकी क्या रह जाएगा? वेट ऑफ राइस इज रिमेनिंग. सो व्हाट विल डू, विल ट्राई टू सबट्रैक्ट द वैल्यू. फ्रॉम दैट विल बी गेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ वेट ऑफ राइस इन द ड्रम. So now we'll start this solution for the second question. These are the data which are given from question I have written. Total weight including drum and rice is given. So total weight will be the addition of empty drum plus rice. I have written in this way so that it will be easier to understand. So total weight is 41 by 6. So if I convert it, so what will be the value? 6 4s are 24, that is 240 plus 1, that is 241 by 6 kg. And here if I convert it, 13 3 by 4, 13 4s are 52, and it will be 55 by 4. Why 55? 3 is added here. Okay, this is the conversion. So total weight is 241 upon 6 kg. Here it is empty drum weight is 55 by 4 kg. What do we have to find? We have to find the weight of rice. Clear? Now what we'll do, we'll shift this term to the left hand side. So what we are going to write, weight of rice is 241 by 6 minus 55 by 4. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take the LCM, and from that LCM we'll solve it, we'll convert it, that will be the final answer. So we'll do now, we'll do by taking LCM. LCM is 12. It means 241 will be multiplied by 2. So if I multiply it by 2, it will be 482 minus, and this will be multiplied by 3. You know how to take LCM value. So if I multiply, it will be 165. Now if I subtract it, it will be 317 by 12. Now if I convert into mixed fraction, it will be 26.5 by 12 kg, which is the total weight of the rice in the drum. Okay, so this is the final answer. Question number 3rd and 4th are of same type, related to first and second, so I'm not going to do that. You have to practice it by your own. And we'll be moving towards the 5th and 6th question. So 5th question, if you read it here, what is given? Find the cost of 3 2x5 meters of a cloth at 63 3x4 per meter. It means the cost of per meter is 63 3/4. Then what is the cost of 3 2x5 meters? Okay, so this is the data given to us. Now we are going to find the exact cost for this length. Okay students, now this is the data given to us, that is cost per meter, that is 63 3/4, and if I convert it, that will be rupees 147/4. We have to find what is the cost of 3 2x5 meters. So I have taken it as x. So now what we'll do, we'll do a cross multiplication. Why? Because it is a question of direct proportion. You might have studied about direct and inverse. Direct means what? कोई भी वैल्यू अगर इंक्रीज हो रहा है तो दूसरा वैल्यू भी ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्रीज होगा या फिर डिक्रीज होगा. सेम प्रोपोर्शन में जब होता है तब उसे डायरेक्ट बोलते हैं, राइट ना. यह एक का अगर इतना वैल्यू है तो 3 2/5 का क्या रहेगा? तो ऑब्वियसली ये फिक्स है, तो इसके साथ हमें इसे मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा. सो दैट ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर. सो द कॉस्ट इज cost of this, that is 5 3 15 to 17 by 5 meter is equals to, what will be the value? So we will be considering it as an x. So x को मैंने ब्रैकेट में रखा, so this value will be x. It will be multiplied. तो 1 मीटर का वैल्यू है 147/4. तो 3 2/5 मीटर का कितना होगा? That is 17/5 will be multiplied over here. जो भी multiplication वैल्यू होगा वो तुम्हारा फाइनल आंसर होगा. So if I multiply it, what I am going to get? I am going to get rupees, I will be getting the value 2499 upon 20. We multiply it, will get the answer. And if I want to convert in the mixed fraction, your answer will be rupees 124.19/20. Okay, so this is the answer of question number 5th. Question number 6th, a car moving at an average speed of 62/5 km per hour. It means 1 hour में 62/5 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है. हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल इट कवर इन 6 1/4? 1 आवर का अगर हमें पता है तो 6 1/4 का हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? विल डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई इट. मल्टीप्लाई करने से हमें हमारा वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. क्यों? 1 आवर का दिया हुआ है, 5 घंटे का कितना हो सकता है? तो सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई इट. सेम रिलेशन वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर. Simply will multiply our data and that will be the final one. You got the question now? This is the information I have written from our question. Average speed of 1 hour, that is 60 km per hour. 1 hour में 60 km per hour है. उसका मतलब क्या है? 60 किलोमीटर it will cover in 1 hour. 1 घंटे में 60 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर होगा. So how much distance will cover in 6 1/4 hours? That we have to identify. तो 6 1/4 hours में कितना? तो सिंपली वी आर गोइंग टू डू दी मल्टीप्लीकेशन ओवर हियर. सो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय कार इन 6 1/4 hours. So total distance is equals to 60 kilometer, we know it, we know that 6 1 by 4. It means if I convert it, 6 4s are 24 plus 1, that is 25 by 4. So now what we'll consider here? We'll consider that the cancellation is possible over here. That is 15 multiplied by 25. That will be the answer. So if I do the multiplication, 15 5 is 75, 7, 15 2 is 30, 375 kilometers will be covered in 6 1 by 4 hours. So this is the final answer. Okay, understood now? Simply we have done the multiplication over here because 1 hour का value दिया था, तो बाकी जो भी hours दिए हुए कैसे find out करेंगे? We'll do the multiplication in that case. Now read the 7th and 8th question. I'll explain it to you because it is not that difficult, because if you are clear with 5 and 6 then you can do it 7th and 8th. Now if you see the 7th question, find the area of rectangular path. Area of rectangle का formula क्या था? Yes, that is length into breadth. Length value is given, breadth value is given. क्या करोगे? Multiply. So L multiplied by B. Next is 8th question. Find the area of square plot. Area of square का formula क्या होता है? Yes, it is side multiplied by side or side square. Okay, तो side का value भी दे दिया है, तो क्या करना है? 2 बार multiply करना है. Understood? So same way you can relate it with the equation number 5th and 6th. Even I can say you that 9th and 10th also related to the question number 5th and 6th. 1 liter of petrol cost is this, then what is the cost of 34 liter? So 34 multiplied by 6, 3 by 4. An aeroplane covers 1020 kilometer in an hour. How much distance will it cover in 4 1 by 6 hours? Yes, you can see that exactly related to question number 6. 6th and 10th are of same. Even 11th is also same. So till 11th question, now you can attempt. You have to complete, you have to practice it. As I'm saying that these word problems are very important, because to identify the method is what you have to do, either addition or subtraction, multiplication, or sometimes you'll find division also. So till now what we have seen a question based on addition, subtraction, even multiplication also we have seen right now. So by this, from 1st to 11th question you can easily solve it. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you for this.